We're reaching that transition phase where everyone's being asked to work from home, but naturally we all don't have an office in the house. So here's just a few key tips for setting up your workstation. Your monitor's resolution should be at least 1080p, which is sometimes written as 1920 by 1080. I'd recommend sticking with well-known brands such as HP, Dell, Asus and Acer. For the cheapest options, I have attached links in the description below. Apart from that, your selection is completely dependent on your budget. You might also need a VGA to HDMI adapter to connect your laptop. If you intend to use your monitor as a replacement for your laptop screen, then you'd need an external keyboard as well, preferably wireless. I'd recommend brands such as Logitech and Kensington. Finally, once your monitor arrives, make sure to activate the Nightlight. This setting can be found in your notification panel here. This will significantly reduce the amount of strain on your eyes as you work. Just a little bonus for anyone whose work phone is a Samsung, I'd heavily recommend installing Samsung Flow. This allows you to view and respond to all of your mobile notifications on the computer itself for a synchronized experience. I've attached a guide on how to do so in the description below. If you have any questions after watching this, please do comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.